zo, zo, curly, curly, wally, wally. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to know more about the family vocabulary and the human being.
상고 양아치 거더러 침비 상고 양아치 거더러 침비 상고 양아치 거더러 침비 상고 양아치 거더러 침비
Baba, baba, mama, mama, melenge, melenge, ita, ita, itakoli, itakoli, itawali, itawali, ngambe, ngambe, baba kota, baba kota, ou baba kete, baba kete. Mama kota, mama kota, mama kete, mama kete. Omba, omba, kotara, kotara. Zo, zo, curly, curly, wally, wally, masika, masika, masika koli, masika wally. We are at the end of this short video. Don't forget to use those vocabularies in your own sentence, and I need it in the comment section. Make sense?